In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Venmo Stash Taco Bell cashback. Now, in order to use this feature, you need to first of all enroll with the Venmo Stash feature, which allows you to then select the shopping bundle that features Taco Bell. So within the mobile application of Venmo, head over to the Me section, scroll down to the option called Stash, and then make sure that you turn it on. Once that is turned on, you need to browse through the available merchant bundles where Taco Bell is actually available. So simply tap on the enroll button, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to get a cashback up to 5%. So depending upon your case, so for example, the base case you earn is 1% just by using the Venmo cash balance. And if you want to earn a higher cashback, which is up to 5%, what you could do is deposit $500 or more into your Venmo account, and then you'd be able to earn a higher cashback, which is up to 5%. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.